Picture this. It's 22.5. The EV world is already crazy competitive. But then, out of nowhere, two electric giants step into the ring. One is an upgrade to the world's best-selling EV, the Tesla Model Y Juniper, and the other is Hyundai's brand new jaw-dropping flagship SUV, the Ioniq 9. Nobody saw this coming. On paper, it looks like a mismatch. Tesla has history, Tesla has hype, Tesla has Elon Musk tweeting every other day, but Hyundai had been quietly building an EV army, and the Ioniq 9 is not here to play nice. Now imagine this. You walk into a dealership in 2025, and on your left is the sleek, refreshed Tesla Model Y Juniper, sharper lines, updated interior, and a promise of more range than ever. On your right, a massive futuristic-looking Hyundai Ioniq 9 that feels like a spaceship on wheels. Which one do you pick? Let's dive deep, and trust me, by the end you might be shocked at which one actually wins. First, let's talk design. Tesla has kept the Juniper Model Y's silhouette familiar, but it's cleaner, more aerodynamic, and the front fascia now has a sharper, almost aggressive edge. It's like the quiet kid in class who suddenly hits the gym and comes back looking dangerous. The Ioniq 9, on the other hand, is big, really big. We're talking full-size SUV presence, bold pixel LED lights, squared-off stance, and those massive wheels that look like they were stolen from a concept car. It's not trying to be subtle. It's screaming, "Look at me, I'm the future." Now, performance. Tesla's Juniper is rumored to get a new battery chemistry, giving it close to 350 miles of real-world range. Acceleration. Still stupid fast, 0 to 60 in around 3.9 seconds in the performance trim. And of course, Tesla's magic weapon supercharger network, now even faster with V4 chargers rolling out. The Hyundai Ioniq 9, it's not a drag strip monster, but it's no slouch. Dual motor AWD, around 320 miles of range, and ultra-fast 350 kilowatts charging thanks to its EGMP platform. That means you can go from 10% to 80% in about 18 minutes. 18 minutes. That's a coffee break, not an overnight wait. But here's the twist. While Tesla still owns the charging game in the US, in 2025, Hyundai, along with other Korean brands, have partnered into a massive shared charging network that's growing ridiculously fast, so that Tesla advantage, it's not untouchable anymore. Inside, the differences get even more interesting. Tesla has gone even more minimalist. Juniper's interior now uses new sustainable materials, ambient lighting, and an updated center display with higher resolution and faster processing. But here's the kicker. Tesla still refuses to bring back physical buttons. It's all touchscreen, all the time. The Ioniq 9 takes the opposite approach. It's like stepping into a luxury lounge, wraparound screens, soft touch materials, everywhere, a mix of physical controls and haptic touch, and a full panoramic sunroof that makes the cabin feel like a luxury cruise ship. Oh, and did I mention second-row seats that recline like airline business class? Let's talk tech. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving beta have gotten smarter in 2025. Better lane changes, better city navigation, and fewer weird moments where the car acts like it's possessed. Hyundai, though, isn't playing catch-up anymore. Their Highway Driving Pilot 3.0 is a true Level 3 system in some markets, meaning, on certain highways, you can legally take your hands off the wheel and your eyes off the road. Tesla still can't do that, legally. When it comes to reliability and build quality, well, this is where the internet fights start. Tesla fans say the newer builds have improved, but Hyundai, they've been nailing build quality for years, and the Ioniq 9 feels rock solid. Pure thud, pure luxury, panelists. You'll need a microscope to find. Price-wise, this is where things get dangerous for Tesla. The Juniper Model Y starts around $48,000 before incentives. The Ioniq 9, just a few thousand more than a much bigger, more luxurious SUV. And Hyundai throws in more standard features than Tesla will ever admit to. So, who wins? If you want speed, software, and the most proven charging network, the Tesla Model Y Juniper is still the king. But if you want space, luxury, and cutting-edge driver assistance for almost the same price, the Hyundai Ioniq 9 might just be the EV giant killer nobody saw coming. And that's the beauty of 2025's EV war. The fight is no longer Tesla versus the rest. It's Tesla versus real, worthy competition. And for us, the drivers, that means better cars, better prices, and way more fun choosing. So tell me, which one's parked in your dream garage tonight? The sleek, fast, tech-obsessed Tesla Juniper, or the bold, luxurious, feature-packed Hyundai Ioniq 9? Drop your answer in the comments, and let's see which giant really rules.